AI tools that feel illegal to know. Part 1. If you use this tool correctly, you can make a lot of money. It's called spacelogo.ai, and you can make original logos within seconds. Now here's how you're going to actually make money by using this tool. First, head over to Fiverr.com and search up logo. You'll see a variety of different people selling logos. And for example, this person has made over $116,000 by just making logos. Now we can do the exact same thing as this guy, but even better. For this example, we'll just say that the spaghetti shop needs a logo. Now we go back to spacelogo.ai and then type in the name, as well as the slogan. We select a category as food and beverage. It gives us so many options, but this is the one that I chose. Now, if you charge $20 a logo and you get 5 people at least per day, that's $100 per day. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.